The question of whether or not someone should file first is always something that comes up. And a lot of lawyers are asked by their clients, should I wait? Should I be the one who gets served? Should I be the one who serves? The truth of the matter is it's important to be clear about the timing. In a lot of cases, who files first doesn't really matter. I mean, this case is going to pen for months and months and months, but there is a certain value in sort of controlling the narrative. Think about it this way. If you really want something and you say, I want this, I want that, and the judge hears that, and the other one says, oh, me too, me too. Do you want to be the one who asks affirmatively and takes control, or do you want to be the me too guy? So if you're talking about custody, if you really want custody, do you want to be the one who brings it before the court and explains why you want custody and what the reasons are? Or do you want to be the one who's responding and says, oh, me too, I want custody, I want to be considered also? I would think you'd want to control that narrative. I would think that you'd want to be the first one to get the opportunity to set the tone. And you'd also, by the way, want to have the opportunity to protect yourself with protective orders. So if you file first, you can ask the court for protection for whatever you may need, asset protection with the children, whatever. It gives you, by filing first, the opportunity to do a little planning, to be active rather than reactive. See, that's the case. So in other words, when stability, for example, is at risk, that's when you want to act. You want to act immediately and show the court that you're taking action to resolve the problem. You could take the position that, well, I'm going to wait and see what he does or wait to see what she does. But at that point, whether or not you're going to be able to control the narrative or whether you're going to be regarded as a reactor rather than an actor, well, that may or may not be important to you. If you've got no assets, you've got nothing to protect, you have no children, so there's no custody issues, maybe it doesn't matter if you're an actor or a reactor. But when it comes to these other things, it may very well matter. So you've got to decide that. So should you file first? It's going to depend on your situation and how you want to be perceived before the court.
248-588